Hello, and you're watching the Workshop Insider channel. Today you'll see some amazing techniques that will take you to another level of work. A very simple but very effective way to plug a hole in a hose. Is this brush broken? It doesn't matter. You can easily fix it and even make some changeable nozzles. With the help of the hooks, you can easily twist the extension cord wires. Water repellent spray is the best water protector. With a simple plastic bottle, you can store all of your tools in one place. And here's a great way to squeeze the glue out of the tube and use it to the full extent. Using those two washers, you can easily make sure that your boards are not damaged by the vise. And you can easily use a regular saw instead of a ruler. Stationary clips, like a phone stand. Your tools will no longer run away from you. And doing so, you can remove all the sawdust easily and at once. And here's a good way to fix the wire and nails. Just do as I do. Always finish the job correctly. With the help of a magnet, it's very easy to collect metal shavings. Ordinary cardboard will help to fold things. Broken glasses, a red-hot metal spoke will help fix everything. And this will definitely surprise you. It can serve you as a stand or just a decoration for your home. Look at how simple and impressive that is. I'm sure you haven't peeled apples like that yet. Like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you soon.